Do you want your brain to be sharp? Are you aspiring to become brain strong? Our brain is like a machine, and we are all aware that a machine needs to be used and properly maintained to enhance its life and also enhance its capability and effectiveness. The same goes to our brain. In this video, I'm sharing with you a technique called DISC that is going to help you enhance your brain productivity and also give you tips on how you can take care of your brain. Are you ready to learn the DISC technique? D stands for daily brain workout. We all know in order to become arm strong, we need to do daily physical exercises every day. Similarly, in order to become brain strong, we need to do daily brain workout or exercises every day. And this is achieved by advanced techniques called brain gym, neurobics, and neuroplastics. Please refer the description box below to find out some of the brain gym and the neurobics exercises that I refer in order to make my brain always strong and do my daily brain workout. The next step in the DISC technique is I. I stands for intake of food. It is very essential that we take food that is rich in omega 3 and antioxidants to enhance our brain functioning. Similarly, on the other hand, if we are taking fatty foods, it also decreases the brain functioning and makes us body tired and also makes our brain functioning slow. The third step stands for yes. Yes means sleep sufficiently. It is very essential that we have sufficient sleep in order to ensure that the brain recoups its energy and gives its 100% potential throughout the day. The final step in the DISC technique stands for K, which is keep it engaged. It is very essential that we use our brain sufficiently. Both the right and the left side of the brain is getting engaged on a daily basis. The left side is more of a logical and calculated basis, whereas the right side is more for creativity and enhancing our intuition and emotional power. Now let me summarize the DISC technique for you. D stands for daily brain workout, I stands for intake of food, S stands for sleep sufficiently, and K stands for keep it engaged. Here is my question for you. How do you plan to keep your brain engaged? Please post your replies in the comment box below so that it helps us to know what are the ways you are adopting to keep your brain engaged. Also, if you found this video useful, please like and share it to all your friends, and do not forget to subscribe for our channel so that you get regular updates from us.
This is Dr. Purni, founder of Happiness and Success Academy, and I'm a happiness and success coach. So far, we have transformed the lives of at least 45,000 people through our training, coaching, mentoring, and counseling. And we are on a mission to ignite millions and millions of lives of people to ensure that they take their first step and move towards their life of happiness and success.